to a strategic partnership proposal that is on scaling the digital knowledge economy. This is a collaborative revenue ecosystem for future focused L&D institutes. You can also call this as the knowledge economy hub, which we are going to create. And the ecosystem is something which is going to collaborate with various organizations in different sectors. The future of L&D is not just delivering courses, it is building a multi-layer digital ecosystem. The word L&D is nothing but the learning and development wing, which is going to support organizations in the upgradation of skills and making the entire ecosystem within the organization ready for the adaptability. Previously, the challenge was for established L&D institutions, the challenge is no longer expertise. Actually, it is scalability. Building proprietary digital infrastructure from scratch is very costly, slow, and carries high operational risk. For example, any organization can accommodate 1,000 people or 2,000 people in classrooms. Obviously, it will not be more than 50 to 80 people at a time for a single organizer or a faculty. But when we create an ecosystem like this, the digital ecosystem will help us to connect to the virtual classrooms. It is like as we said, the knowledge economy hub, the data is maintained at the data center, the core. The data is passed and it is accessed by the classrooms using the projectors or the students' laptop, iPad, whatever they're using to experience virtual classrooms. In this, virtual reality, extended reality will also be included so that they can experience how things work in real-time scenario for developing their practical thinking. The content hub is connected again to the data center, which is the core of it, and it helps to maintain everything with supercomputers. Not yet supercomputers are in market, but we are developing such a platform which will be helpful with the content development using artificial intelligence, and in future it will be enhanced through some AI agents as well. Now we are having AI brain, AI agent, and some general AI systems added through this core digital data center. Now, this is connected to the global distribution network. So, whoever enters into our system, they will be having access to the content if they pay the membership for monthly, quarterly, or yearly, so that they can access to the content they can use in the classrooms. If the membership member is from the classroom or an organization, they can connect to the content and use it in their virtual classrooms. At the same time, LXP, Learning Experience Platform, is also there, where depending on the requirement of the organization, we give headsets, that is virtual reality or extended reality headsets, to experience industries within the classroom. And the core content is connected to the analytics and insights, where we can monitor the global traffic. This is the backend of the core digital center. And at the same time, the advantage of the community, that is collaborations and the community, a lot of people from different organizations, colleges, universities, depending on sectors, not just students, experienced professionals, students, researchers, industrialists, and employees, everyone can connect, because nowadays there is no limit. Knowledge, skills, degrees were something which was required long ago. Skills were something considered very important and part of the resume when they are applying for the job. But now Adaptability is very important. It depends how fast the student or any person, a professional, is trying to grasp the information and adapting that to implement in real time scenario. So while connecting, when they join as a member, they can connect and collaborate with various different people from different organizations all over the world, and they will be able to access to the AI agents, superbrain, etc. And the community collaboration will be 100% based on the AI driven recommendations. So this will be very helpful for us to divide or create segments or groups or chapters where people will be helping each other. So that is the advantage of community and collaboration, where at the same time they will be able to connect to the virtual classrooms, content, as well as the LXP learning experience platform. All these things will be there when they are connecting to the community and collaboration network. So these are the advantages, which is completely out of the box infrastructure required to transform one-time classroom training into infinite high-margin digital revenue streams, where at least 400 to 500 people can join a webinar, or more than 1 lakh people can access at a time from all over the world. So this is how the system works. Now, let us go in depth about the institutional transformation matrix, where we are going to discuss about the revenue model, the geographic reach, student retention, scalability, and the cost. So the traditional institution will be having a revenue model one time per student with one-on-one interaction. Geographic reach will be very low, local, limited by physical centers. Student retention ends upon workshop completion. Scalability and cost will be low. High manual overhead will be there. Tension will be there. We will be chasing people. So this is how things work in the traditional method. Now, in this collaboration model, the revenue is multi-layered and there will be recurring monetization. Once the student comes in, they will be part of it for more than the duration they have paid. Like for example, they have paid for the course and it's for 45 hours or 45 days. Even after that, their data will be with us. They will be part of the community. They will be able to access if they become member of the organization. The global reach will be there and it will be 24/7 access for all the countries. Student retention will be lifelong, learning via membership ecosystems, as I said before. Scalability and cost will be infinite with automated LMS and zero tech debt. So this is the concept of our organization and our collaboration model, revenue generation model, and the traditional method of coaching. Now, let us go ahead with this model and how it works. Partners and what we provide. So, the partners may be the institution. For example, Millennium Software Solutions. So, Software Solution is having partners with university, corporate connections, students, faculty, physical training centers like franchisees, industry domain expertise, all together in the organization. We are trying to merge this with a zero tech debt, highly profitable hybrid education business with this LMS, pre-built AI engineering courses, memberships, webinars, blockchain certifications, and affiliate automation. That means affiliate automation is something, the link which will be provided to partner. That means Millennium Software Solutions having these under umbrella of a private limited company. So we are just becoming partner and providing the affiliate automation so that they will be getting maximum share like 60/40. Like it can be on discussion. So this is something which help us to build an ecosystem without any competition, helping each other to grow, and it is like win-win opportunity in between the organizations and the knowledge transfer partnerships. So we have the knowledge transfer partnership and the services are learning and development services. Coming to a complete edtech infrastructure where we are having 4 different layers. The first one is validation layer, where we are going to maintain global standard, blockchain verified digital certifications for instant sharing and industry trust. Community layer will be for 24/7, like forums will be there, live mentorship, networking, and reward systems will be there, where students will be earning digital coins. Those digital coins will help them to use it in further courses, webinars, workshops, where it will be equal to, these digital coins will be equal to money what they are earning. For example, if they refer someone, if they get if they complete the course within time, all these things, their activities actually help them to earn digital coins. It's like earning while learning. Now, the third important layer is content layer. The premium digital libraries covering artificial intelligence, machine learning, CAD, CAM, CAE, data science, all these things, now everything is interrelated. So at the end of every course or any software, we have integration of artificial intelligence and in some cases machine learning, data science. For example, if we speak about CAD, some softwares will be there like CATIA, ProE, SolidWorks, CAE, ANSYS. These individual softwares are integrated with artificial intelligence. That will be something out of the box because the artificial intelligence integrated in software is connected to internet, not offline, it is online. So we are going to have something which is offline as well, and that offline based transfer of knowledge will be provided by us. Now coming to the fourth important layer is AI driven LMS powered by the Graphy. Graphy is a data center where the entire information and data is being controlled in Bangalore, Kormangala. This is trusted by 100k plus creators. It is just an LMS backend which we are using, but the front end is completely done by us with all the secure handling, offline video access, mobile friendly, all this stuff. We are doing it with our own experience, as well as the content, updated content will be according to the requirement of the students, professors, institutions, the recruiting agencies, as well as the companies who are hiring students. According to their requirement, we are updating so that the learner or the student or any professional who want to upgrade themselves in their career will be benefited through this, because we are teaching with a methodology of adaptability. Now, coming to the most important point of the collaborative digital ecosystem, how is connected, how we can create the knowledge economy hub. So here you can see that it is the hub, a collaborative digital ecosystem, where we can say that you can start continuously if you enter into this. It's not just one time earning, it is continuously a continuous system where you can earn through the course sales. Direct course sales will be there, blockchain certifications will be given. That certification will be having some additional cost. Then recurring membership, the membership will be like monthly, quarterly, yearly. Corporate B2B upskilling is completely L&D contract, where we are going to give all the courses in package as per the requirement of the organization, which we call it as L&D contract. Webinar led funnels will help collaborations, and it will also help some referrals, to get some referrals, and students will be earning digital coins. Not just students, anyone whoever joins in this. Affiliate networks will be helpful for any organization who are becoming partners with us. and this is given only for the organization. If an individual wants to work as an affiliate member, that is also possible, but there are some terms and conditions for this. Coming to digital products, this is one of the best thing I can ever say. Digital products, for example, if you just look at Amazon digital products or Flipkart, you can see how many sales are there. So digital products is a lead generation kind of a thing. If we give for free, someone is interested to buy a digital product, they can pay. So sometimes we are going to give bonus digital products like planners. It can be fillable action plans for a particular student in particular course, like in BTech mechanical engineering, computer science. For everyone there will be some kind of career focused action plans that will be paid, as well as sometimes the basic level will be free. So with that we can generate leads. That leads will be again converted into this ecosystem flow, which will be helpful for the learner as well as the partners as well as for us. So coming to the R&D and consulting, where people come with the ideas, we are going to convert the idea right from the idea conceptualization till the end of the end product, like product scaling in the market. We are going to finish the entire design cycle for them, from idea till the scaling of the product in the market. This is for outsiders who want to really launch their product in the market. For students, up to project submission, we are going to help. So these are the two different things in R&D consulting, where we do the real R&D consulting and we also guide for patent applications for getting patents. And there are some terms and conditions in the patent rights. If we are involving in the project, if our ideas are also contributed in the research, then we are going to share the patent rights. If the idea is from the client completely, then we are not going to share the patent rights. We are going to just take the service charges from that organization or an individual, whoever is coming. The same case is with the academicians and the students. So this is how the ecosystem runs within us, and this is how we actually collaborate with any partner organization or any industry, academic institution or industrial sectors. So this is completely knowledge transfer partnership with L&D services and R&D services. So now we are going to discuss about different layers what we have. Layer 1, 2, high margin direct sales and certifications, how we are going to do, and the commercials we are going to discuss. So the commercial integration is where the partner institution, for example, if trains 5,000 students per year, our integrated system courses will average starting from 3,000 rupees. This is just an example. In that case, the guaranteed possibility will be like 1.5 crore. If the split is 60% for the partner and 40% for us, the 90 lakhs purely digital profit for the institute. So another thing is certifications will be of additional cost, because we are not just giving the courses, we are also giving the certifications, where here there are two different possibilities. If we in India are going to give the blockchain credentials, it will cost around 1,500. If you want to collaborate with any foreign organized university where the short courses are credited by the university, then the university will be charging for the certificate, that is a different level. We are trying to collaborate with different universities in United Kingdom, where university gives some credentials for the certificate and the course. That cost varies, and it's not 1,500. It depends on the course and the type of credentials what the student is going to get. So this is the next level. As of now, in India, modern industries demand verified skills. So 5,000 students with 1,500 rupees additional blockchain certification fee will be added to this. The revenue generated will be around 75 lakhs if at least we reach to 5,000 students. Now, layer 3, the membership ecosystem, where we are converting the workshop attendees into lifelong subscribers via locked premium content, commercial projects, and global networking. Here are some mathematical scale of the revenue system. If 2,000 students join our webinar, and if we convert at least per month, the membership generates 19 lakhs monthly. This equates 2.39 crores annually of highly predictable recurring system if they join for annual membership program. So 2.3 with some other additional things, the target is 2.5 is guaranteed income which we can generate for highly predictable recurring income for the organization within India. If it is scaled globally, these numbers will be varying. So high ticket corporate upskilling is something which is for naval and marine, manufacturing, air transformation, and MSME startups. So organizations bidding for the naval contracts, we are ready to help. Any organization, any manufacturing industry, if they want to upgrade their process of manufacturing, if they want industrial designs, upliftment, or trying to build their manufacturing industry practically on site, we are going to help. If they want to automate everything using AI transformation, it can be any organization, we are going to do that as well. MSME, micro, small, medium enterprise startups, we are going to train for startups. Also, we are going to give training who have started their business. It can be micro, small, medium enterprise, any organization. We are going to give L&D, learning and development, for the organization. If the organization is medium scale, medium to large manufacturing organizations, we are going to connect them in our ecosystem and develop business networking system where students will be able to enter into these manufacturing organizations or any IT sectors or any medium scale enterprises for internships. So we are going to give the internships, training, practical training, as well as if the student is really capable enough and adaptable to the manufacturing where we are referring, to the manufacturing system or organization where we are referring, or to the MSMEs where we are referring with AI transformation, then the student will be placed there. And these naval and marine, as we are in Visakhapatnam, certain marine systems are also under process where we are designing some ship designs as well as kind of analysis, material analysis, and much more things. So this is completely different as per the requirement of Indian defense system. Now, the most important part is level 5 and 6, how we are going to generate leads and how we are going to create the networking and how we are going to scale it. So this is our webinar funnel. If you look at, we are offering the free sessions based on artificial intelligence for engineers, and these free you may be knowing that free sessions will be converted because the registrations will happen. We are going to capture the leads and we are going to host and convert this with 5% conversion rate calculation. We are going to get this into the funnel for the permanent membership, which is going to give this much of revenue. In the affiliate ecosystem, this is purely for the partners where the central platform and the resources are distributed between the campus ambassadors in the universities or any organization, or to the faculty, or to the alumni who already finished their graduation. So these are the three things where we are going to connect through the partner institution. For example, Millennium Software Solutions is connected through us, the backend platform, and we are connecting the campus ambassadors, faculty, and alumni to join this affiliate program, and join the students or employees to enroll students monthly to generate this revenue, and the calculation is at least 60 lakhs per month with zero ads spent, zero marketing, zero traveling, zero ads. So this is the affiliate ecosystem which we are going to present it or work on it. So if everything is fine and if the flow of our plan is connected to your organization, we can create an action plan on these webinars and affiliate ecosystem. Digital products and R&D consulting is very easy if we are going to start with, because 100% margin with zero logistic cost can be achieved through these digital products only, because it can be easily monetized, scalable, and also we are going to give some recorded workshops, digital formula sheets, AA prompts, and R&D templates in these packages of digital products. R&D consultancy, as I said, that the infrastructure, the complete implementation of this thing is based on research, design, simulation, and industrial problem solving things. So it depends on what type of project we are getting and from which organization we are getting. It can be from pharmaceuticals, it can be from steel plant, any large scale industries or small scale industries. The R&D consulting cost will be varying, because that depends on the project and the time which we are spending in that research. This is the revenue trajectory and long-term ecosystem where the foundation is created. There will be expansion and dominance. So at this first 1,000 students only we are expecting, where so first we are expecting 1,000 students, and then the calculation will be expansion within the universities and the tie-ups with foreign universities. Then long-term potential will be expected, which is around, you can see in this, it starts from 50 lakhs or 2 crores per year. Potential to earn after expansion is 5 to 20 crores per year, and the dominance is 50 to 200 plus crores of ecosystem here, because these calculations are not just based on the Indian audience, it is from the global. So these calculations are analyzed with a team of people in knowledge transfer partnership tie-ups with with an organization within the University of Glasgow in United Kingdom. There this ecosystem is calculated and analyzed how it is going to work. If the credentials are added to the courses in the form of certificates, which is going to be a foreign in organizations, foreign university certifications, then it is easy for us to reach to this, because that is like a digital pass or a global pass for anyone to work in top notch private limited companies or MNCs. So coming to the EdTech high value technical niches, artificial intelligence, advanced CAD CAE, marine structures, data science and automation are the leading things which we are going to concentrate. Now, this is the ultimate strategic advantage. This collaboration is not merely a training partnership, it is the instant creation of multi-layered digital ecosystem, delivering recurring revenue, global scalability, and with zero technical infrastructure cost for your institute. So let's build the ecosystem. The infrastructure mapping call, curriculum integration strategy, ecosystem launch are the three different phases. So first, if we think about this ecosystem, and if you think that this is really going to work, you can just start with us with the phase 1 of infrastructure mapping call. Then we can go ahead with the curriculum integration